There we go, bird of prey there. I'm perched over there. And like I say, they hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields. You can see Prince Harry Potter 666, Prince of Darkness, Not Alone, Edward Van Custins, shot 2 hen harriers, which is a prisonable offence, £5,000 fine for each hen harrier. They were reported by the Prince of Wales staff at Sandringham, seen by members of the public, the only 2 shooting in that area, and then denied all knowledge, wasn't them, didn't see anything, didn't hear anything. Well, how would you not hear 2 loud gunshots? You know, it was blatantly just a big blatant lie. And the same with the 17-year-old sex trafficked girl who was abused and hunted and found dead on New Year's Day. You know, the word that came off the Royal Sandringham Estate killing fields and down the coast was that it was a Prince Harry's birthday party, a rich boy's loft party, and that was even before, you know, that was established that the autopsy that her remains had been there since September, which put me even more in the clear, because I wasn't staying at Hitcham in August, the end of August or September. I was on Blakeney Point, 40 miles away. So like I say, they're high crime, and certainly not mine. And some people do like their blood sport, they certainly will set you up. It's the Black Panther 7 Sandringham serial killer, to be hunted, boxed, caged, assassinated, disappeared one way or another. So sometimes you do have to fly for all the right reasons before you are disappeared for 7 wrong reasons. There's plenty of people who will do their dirty work, and others who will do anything for money, drugs and alcohol. Sometimes you really do have to fly for all the right reasons, you know, before you are disappeared for 7 wrong reasons. People in high places do not like their high crimes, their frames and fixes being exposed, and certainly not mine. Anyhow, God bless, take care.